This video is for educational purposes only. You are fully responsible for your own money and decisions. Let us find a pair for trading. We'll trade based on support and resistance. Okay, let us go. There is a resistance line here. We can place a trade from here. Okay, we successfully won the trade from here. Now, let us find the next trade setup. Yes, got it. Found a trade here. We can see there has a resistance line here as well. We can place a trade from here. Let us trade. This trade was risky, but we won this one too. Turned $50 into around $120. Do your own research before trading. Learn how to draw these lines from my videos. There is a lot to learn here. More videos are coming soon, so you can keep learning. Okay, thanks for watching.